Didn't see you there. Welcome to Happy KO's Studios. Today we're gonna learn how to plug in your Nord keyboard into Pro Tools. In the back of the Nord you'll see power right here. This plugs into the wall. This one plugs into the pedal that my foot is on. The sustain pedal. And then you'll see 3 guitar cables plugged into the back of the Nord. But wait a minute, this isn't a guitar. This is a piano. This is a keyboard. Why are we using guitar cables? And why are we using 3 of them, Lawrence? Doesn't make any sense. Hey, Drew! Drew's a bit busy right now. We use 3 guitar cables thusly for this reason. Welcome back. The reason we use 3 guitar cables thusly is because you want to be able to record in stereo. Normally when you record in stereo, you need 2 guitar cables, one for the left ear and one for the right ear. Why is there a 3rd guitar cable? Well, this is so that I can monitor it. I don't feel like plugging in headphones right now. I want to be able to play without the restriction of headphones. Alright, we ready? Did you get
I can give you a click, which might help.
Yeah. Might as well start with a click. Yeah. So forget everything I said about the headphones. The reason I want to be able to plug this into the amp is because I want to be able to wear headphones, but I want the click to come out of the headphones, not the Nord keyboard stage 3.
You'll be able to hear both with this one too, because they don't keep any sound.
So forget what I said about...
oh shit, you don't need this part, huh? Or do you? The adapter?
Actually, I do need that. Yes.
Oh, cool.
So forget what I said about not having the Nord's keyboard stage 3 coming out of the headphones. The reason actually I don't want this plugged in then. I don't want this plugged in then, right? To the amp?
Yeah, you do.
I do want it plugged in. Forget what I said about not wanting this plugged into the amp. I want this plugged into the amp and to have the Nord audio coming through the headphones as well. I want double the sound.
You don't need the adapter. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Forget what I said about needing the adapter. I don't need the adapter in this case.